Happy morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine, right? So, up to the last session, we have completed our term 1 portion. Yes or no? We have completed our term 1 portion. That is up to chapter 6 we have completed. Now, we are going to see the next lesson. We are going to see the next. What is the next lesson, children? Yes, can anyone guess? What would be the lesson number? Yes, we have completed up to 6. Now we are going to see next one, that is chapter 7. What is it? Chapter 7. So, I have selected a small lesson for you. So, only this week we are going to have a class. Yes or no? So, from the next, we are going to have a term 1 exam. So, I have selected a small lesson for you, that is chapter 7. So, are you able to see these pictures, children? What is this? What is this? Yeah, they are sea animals. Yes or no? Yes. So, look at this picture, children. So, if you are going out for some places, consider you are going for some cold places like Ooty, Kodaikanal or something. So, if you are going, consider you are going for a trip or a school tour. You are going for a school tour to Ooty or Kodaikanal. So, you are packing your things. You are packing your things. So, at that time, what your parents would tell you? Can anyone guess? What are the things to be taken? What they will tell you? Yes. Take shawls, sweaters or jerkins, and then an umbrella. So, in such places, we cannot predict the weather. We don't know when it rains and when the sun shines. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? So, they would advise us to take an umbrella and a jerkin with us. Yes or no? Or a rain coat. So, we are not able to predict that it will be so very much bright. Suddenly, it starts to rain. Yes or no? So, if you are going to plan for some function, so what will you predict? So, what would be the condition at that time? So, now IPL is going on, right? Yes or no, children? Now IPL matches are going on. So, before the matches, what they would decide? They would see the climatic condition. Yes or no? So, how would be the sunshine today? And what would be the weather? They will be determining everything before the match starts. Yes or no? So, this climate and weather plays an important role in our life. What is it this? Climate and weather plays a major role in doing all the things. Yes or no? So, there are particular seasons for sowing crops, for cultivating crops. Yes or no, children? So, everything depends upon the climate and weather. So, one more thing, climate and weather both are not the same. They are different. I will tell you the difference, okay? So, look at here, from Jan to Feb. So, how would be the condition? Low precipitation. That is what they used to say in Tamil, Pani Kalam. Yes or no? And in March, average precipitation. So, the temperature would be around 18 degrees Celsius. In case of Fahrenheit, it is 64 degree Fahrenheit. And in April, increasing precipitation. And then very high precipitation. Precipitation, what is the precipitation, children? Yes, what is it? It may rain. And one more thing, what is it? So, sun shines, very high precipitation. So, it is a summer season. Yes or no? So, from May to June, what would be the temperature? It will be very high, yes. Nowadays, it is around 30 degree also it is 30, 30 to 35 also sometimes it reaches. Yes or no children? Yes. And monsoon. And what is this? In August it starts raining. And in September decreasing precipitation. And October to November ideal time to visit. And December low precipitation. So this is based on some places. It is based on some tourist spot. This picture based on some tourist spot. Okay. And then look at here. What is this? We have different types of season. So what is this? Summer. During summer, where would you like to go? Yes, we like to go to some cold places. Whether you would like to go to Rajasthan in summer? No, you don't like that, right? So what is this? One more season, rainy. And in some places, the rains would become thick. So they would get close to condense each other and they may fall as a snowfall. And falling of leaves. So everything is based on season and climate. Yes or no? So whether the climate in Tamil Nadu is same as Kerala children or same as Jammu? No. So it varies. So what is our next lesson which we are going to see as weather. What is mean by weather, and then what is the climate, and then adaptations of animals to climate. How does the animals get adapted to that climate? So this is the lesson topic. What is it? Weather. What is mean by weather, climate, and adaptation of animals to that climate. How the animals get adapted to that climate for its survival. Okay. Shall we go, children? Yes. So these are the content of this lesson. A short lesson. Okay. Introduction about climate and weather. And then, so we are going to see what is mean by weather, what is mean by climate. And then, how does the animals get adapted to the conditions. Last, we will be having a recap. Shall we enter into the lesson, children? Yes. What is this? As I said you already, so weather and climate plays an important role in everything. Yes or no? So our food also varies according to the climate. Yes or no, children? Our food also varies according to the climate. So consider if it is raining now. What would you like to eat now? So something hot. So in hot summer we like to drink some cold juices and we like to have ice cream. Yes or no? So our food, dresses which we wear. Yes, in summer we will be wearing cotton clothes. But in winter, woolen cloths. Yes or no, children? So the dresses which we wear and the food we eat, everything depends on the climate of the places and the weather of the place. Okay, children? Shall we go into the lesson? Right. So first, weather. I am going to tell you what is mean by weather. Weather, where hints note is there. Okay, what is this weather and weather, children? W-E-A-T-H-E-R, W-H-E-A-T-H-E-R. What is the difference between these two? Weather and weather. Yes, this W-E-A-T-H-E-R denotes the climate or the condition of the day. And W-H-E-A-T-H-E-R denotes either this or that. Idilanta adu. Yes or no, weather, W-H, either this or that. But W-E-A-T-H-E-R is the climate or the condition of a place. Okay, children, look at here. Whether the hints note is there with you. Okay, now write what is mean by weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. What is this atmosphere, children? Is the air surrounded region of the earth. I said you right, there are different regions of atmosphere. There are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere and thermosphere. So where is that ozone? Where is the ozone layer situated? Yeah, it is in the stratosphere. Yes or no? So the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place. The day-to-day condition of an atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Note it down, children. So, what are the factors for determining the weather? They are temperature. I will explain you what everything is, okay? Temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. So, the weather condition of a place depends on these four factors. The condition of a place or the condition of an atmosphere depends on these factors. So, the factors are temperature. Yes, the weather depends on temperature, humidity. I will explain you, okay? And then rainfall and then wind speed. It is called as weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather. So what is this? I said you right, the factors which it depends. So these factors are called as elements of weather. What are the elements of weather? Temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. So these are the four factors which weather depends on it. So it is called as elements of weather. What is the element of weather? Temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Okay, tell me what is the element of carbon dioxide? Element of carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon and oxygen are the element of carbon dioxide. So weather. Weather means what? So the weather depends on these four things. So they are called as elements of weather. They are temperature, humidity, rainfall and then wind speed. Look at here, children. I have given you here a sample weather report of a place. So daily in the news also they used to say, right, today's weather report or weather forecasting. So in the newspaper also you will be having them. And now in your mobiles, yes or no? In your mobiles we are getting the daily weather report condition. What is the temperature, whether it rains or not, how the climate would be. We are getting the weather reports or not, children, in our mobile. We are getting it in newspapers and also in TVs, radios. Yes, like FMs. So what is said there? Yes, weather reports are said daily. What is the weather condition of yesterday? Yes or no? Yes. So here a weather of 3 days has been given. So today, you can say here this today is nothing but a Thursday. So north, rain and thunderstorms. And the maximum temperature would be 21, minimum is 14 degrees Celsius. And on the south side, hot, dry and sunny. 33 and then 14 degree Celsius. So Friday, north side it is brighter and with scattered showers. But on the south side, with few shower. And Saturday. So here weather of sample weather report has been given. Okay, children. So in India, the temperature of the north side, the temperature of the northern India is colder than the southern India. Yes or no? Southern India is considered to be hot compared to northern India, because due to the presence of Himalayan mountain range there. Due to the presence of Himalayan mountain range, so the northern region appears to be cold compared to the south side. Okay, children. So you have an activity here. You have an activity here. Otherwise, you can complete the table 7.1 in your book. What is it? table 7.1 in your book.